With the prerequisite steps or programs covered, we will now move on to the preparation tasks that need to be completed prior to developing and implementing a Hassip plan. It is important to remember that the prerequisite steps or programs that we have discussed were only a sampling of what could be addressed. Also, some of what we will present in this video may occur prior to or during some of the prerequisite programs taking place. This will make more sense once we get into it. Without further ado, we will now briefly cover the 5 important initial preparation steps. Completing the preliminary or prerequisite steps required for your organization will allow you to better understand the tasks that lay before you. By reviewing the outcomes of these steps or programs, you will have the foundation to build your plan. After ensuring that top management has a firm commitment to the Hassip program, you will want to assemble an appropriate Hassip team, which is step 1. What is meant by appropriate? You want team members who have specific knowledge and the expertise that is associated with your processes and the food products that are made. This does not just mean food service personnel, although they will be needed. You will want individuals from sanitation, engineering, quality assurance, and production. In many instances, members from the outside, specialists, should be brought in if not on staff to help with certain aspects where existing staff may be lacking. Remember, you need the experts, for this team will be overseeing the prerequisite steps and developing the plan that your organization will be following to keep your product safe. After your team is assembled, step 2 is defining your food products and the methods of their distribution. Using the information that is being collected or has already been gathered from your prerequisite programs will allow you to complete this requirement in very fine detail. This step requires you to include all the ingredients of your products and the methods of production, as well as how the food will be served or distributed. Step 3 for the team will be identifying who will be the final consumers of your product. Is it the general population, certain patient types, the elderly, or patients in a skilled nursing facility? It is important to know who will be the consumers of your food products. With detailed information now gathered and defined as a result of the first 3 steps, a flow diagram can be completed as step 4. This diagram will provide a simple, clear outline of the steps needed to be taken once activities related to the production of food within the operation take place that are under your organization's control. If there are steps that occur prior to or after the production aspect of your control, they can be documented as well. Including a schematic of the site to better understand the product and the process flow can also be completed. Lastly, after the diagrams have been completed, the team should conduct a review by comparing the diagrams and the resulting flows to the actual production environment, noting areas of inconsistencies or areas where information is incomplete. This is step 5. After review and all diagrams have been modified to reflect the noted required adjustments, you are ready to start developing your Hassip plan. The Hassip plan starts with another step 1, conducting a hazard analysis, and this will be the topic of the next video.